First stock for tomorrow's session is JSW Steel. If you look at the daily chart of the stock, you can see after a consolidation for a week or so, it break out from the zone and it is still making smaller bullish candle every single day. If you go to the left hand side, you can see that there is still a room for the gap to be filled, and I expect in tomorrow's session this gap will be filled, and after that round about this level you will see a breakdown. So we are bullish about JSW Steel in tomorrow's session. Second stock for tomorrow's session is Hindalco Industries. For a week Hindalco was consolidating, then it broke out from this particular congestion with the extremely sizable bullish candle. If you talk about the action which took place in today's session, you can see a doji like candle, and I get the sense that in tomorrow's session we will see another up rally, so be ready for that. If you see any price movement above 179, you can buy it, or even you can buy it at lower level depending upon the how price action shows that the buyers are going to take over and the sellers are willing to give up their hold. Third stock for tomorrow's session is State Bank of India. If you look at the daily chart of the stock, you can see that with every rally, sellers are coming in colossal quantities and they are just going berserk with the amount of selling they are doing it. You can see over here, again over here. But right now, you can see three bearish candles, and all candles have some sort of wicks in the upper direction. They are coincide at a particular level which happens to be a short term support level. So in tomorrow's session I expect State Bank of India to get out of this cluster, and the target should be this levels. Fourth and final stock for tomorrow's session is Godrej Property. Price action on daily chart suggests that Godrej Property is going to consolidate between this particular range, and that is what is happening. All the price up move or down move has taken place in this particular zone over the course of last 2 months. In today's session, Godrej Properties made a small bullish candle, and I expect in tomorrow's session this particular zone to be broken in the down direction, and the target should be that these levels. So we are bullish, not bullish, rather bearish on Godrej Properties. If you want to know all the important level which is discussed in the underlying stocks, you can join my Telegram channel. I will leave the link in the description box. Thank you for watching.